I am glad to be a part of this as a judge, and I don't know the result, but hopefully, and I am sure, we will pick up the best among the good ones. Now, uh, sometimes I wonder, but often I am asked a question: why these challenges? Why these competitions? Why we should take our students, deflect their attention from regular studies, and induce them to participate in these challenges. Well, I have been a part of this since 2006 when we started Physics Olympiad, and now Suresh and his friends have started Astronomy and Astrophysics Olympiad. Then I also hear that some students are participating in Mathematics Olympiad. And so this has picked up, and I am glad for this. Now, this space challenge is not new, but it is new for our country. Now, why these challenges and why these Olympiads? Well, when we started, I emphasized it from the very beginning that it's an endeavor for talent hunting. Let me just recall that our leaders are looking for and working for prosperity in this nation. Samriddhi is a buzzword since last probably 3 years or 2.5 years. Now, what brings Samriddhi or prosperity? Well, very often people say hard work of people. Well, that's true. But more than that, I'd like to emphasize that it's a proper use of technology with innovative ideas. And who has this technology and who is daring to put innovative thought into action? And of course, our young people. And that's why it is important that we notice, we select, and we choose them to learn the technology, to get the innovative ideas across, but also because they are young, they can take the challenges. The second thing that we wanted was, other than this early recognition of talent in the country, international exposure for a very simple thing, because science and technology is international. You cannot keep it within the boundaries of a nation. If there is something truly international, it's science and technology. And therefore, international exposure, and because the technology is, well, very poor in Nepal, but in Europe and America and in China. So international exposure of our young talent is very important in this aspect. The third thing, because this is a challenge, it brings creative thinking in our young people. And that's why we need these. We need these Olympiads, we need these challenges, hackathon, or in the current avatar, it's a space challenge by NASA. And I am glad that I had an opportunity to participate as a judge. I think we probably did a good job, although I don't know the result, and probably Suresh and Manisha will, of course, announce this one shortly. The challenges were in two fields. In a space, we didn't go very far to the stars. We went only up to the Mars. It is a step by step. We have been to Moon. And then now the next challenge is to put a man on the Mars. And the second challenge was how to preserve the Earth. And those challenges were very well taken by the students, at least those from province 2. Well, space is a newest and probably the most daring frontier for the mankind, for the whole mankind. NASA has been doing this since probably last 20 or more years, 25 years probably. The reason is we so-called specialists have a very good idea of what we are good doing. So we start from everything that is well established. Sometimes I am asked a question. If Einstein did not do it at the age of 25, who would have done it later? Well, Einstein proposed his daring ideas. By the way, it was not an innovative idea, but people had discarded it before. But he put this idea in a most daring way because he was 25. And that's the benefit of being young. We are very conservative. Young people are very much daring. And therefore, the mission to Mars was taken in that spirit. In the same way, preservation or conservation ideas of Earth was also taken in the same spirit. I judged basically with one basic criteria. There were others, that the proposal should be a daring one, but not a reckless one. It should be based on facts on the ground, and it should be backed by scientific evidence. Anyway, this has been already accomplished. So the result will be out probably very soon. And now let me not bother you with my speech. It's not a speech, it's my ideas. And now at the end, I would like to greet you all. It was very great. It was great to see people from diverse backgrounds, including government officials and diplomats. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my greetings and best wishes for the coming festival season, which comprises of Dashain, Tihar, and Chhat. Thank you very much, and I appreciate giving me time. Thank you.